Water war as far as the national capital is concerned, with the Delhi's LG writing an open letter to Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who's behind bars, alleging a water crisis in the national capital. Well, Atashi has hit back at the LG, saying that it's the LG who's been blocking the operations of the Jal Board. We have my colleague Ishika joining us to get us more on this. Ishika, water words yet again, but this time around revolving the water crisis that the national capital is facing.
Well, yes, certainly, Divya, the war of words over the water crisis here in the national capital has once again erupted between the Delhi Lieutenant Governor and the Delhi government. Now, in fact, yesterday, the Lieutenant Governor wrote an open letter to the Chief Minister, where, in fact, he raised the point that Atashi had, in fact, demanded the suspension of the Delhi Jal Board CEO after a lady was stabbed to death in Shahadra over fighting over using the community tap. Now, what the Lieutenant Governor said in this open letter was that all of this inaction in the past 10 years is all on the part of the Delhi government, because the water woes in the city has been there from 2017 and it has only gotten worse. But despite taking in spite of taking the responsibility, the ministers in the Delhi government, it has become very habitual of them to blame it on the bureaucrats. He also went on to say that now Atashi is blaming the chief secretary and in fact the Delhi Jal Board CEO, but the truth is that she and her ministers have not done anything regarding this. Now on the other hand, he also said, in fact, that if we talk about the water treatment plant's capacity, then it has only increased by a mere 4%, while the percentage of the population has increased by 15%. Then who is to blame in this, in this respect? Now, reacting to this, water minister in the Delhi government, Atashi, wrote a letter to the Lieutenant Governor saying, that for the past few years, in fact, the ministers have wanted the Lieutenant Governor to intervene. But despite doing that, the Lieutenant Governor has remained silent and brought the daily works to a standstill. In fact, Atashi goes on to say that the Chief Minister of Delhi, in fact, had given multiple directions to the officers, to solve this water crisis issue. But, in spite of doing that, the funds of the Delhi Jal Boards were stopped. Now, she also went on to say that they are expecting that the Lieutenant Governor will now take action on the Delhi Jal Board CEO. But certainly, the war of words over this continues to intensify.